Doing over there? Did you barf on yourself? Yeah, I stuck my finger in your mouth and made myself barf all over the place. That's so funny, huh? Oh, Mama doesn't like barf. Huh? At least we know why. You're just a screamer today, huh? You're gonna kick your little sock right off. Yeah? What's all the screaming for? What's all the screaming for? I don't know. You eat your barfy shirt? Yeah? So good. So good. Barfy shirts. Yum, yum, yum. Getting tired, huh? You screamed yourself. Screamed yourself to sleep? Yeah. You want your blankie? Alright. Oh, here you go. Crazy man. You're a crazy man. Oh boy. So when you could move, we're going to be in big trouble. Huh. You better get worried, Max. Yeah. He's going to come after you. He's going to be fast. Huh. You're going to be fast. Say, see you later, everybody. Hasta luego.